Welcome back to the channel. So as a GoPro content creator, I feel like the media mod is a must to have, and I have it right here. On the top, it kind of scared me because it says, you know, for Hero 12 through 9, but down here it says it's 13 compatible. So I do have the 13. That is what I use for my car content creation. So I'm gonna unbox this, install it, and I hope that it works because this scared me a little bit, but let's see what's inside. So here's a quick look at the box. It was a little bit damaged from delivery, but here it is. Pretty simple. You just attach it to the actual camera. Right now it's bare, but it'll be right on top of the camera body and it looks just like this. So let's open that up. This is what's inside the box. They do give you another like mount and the little securing screw thing, but it's mostly this that I need because I already have those two things, but it's always nice to have extras. But yeah, this is the GoPro media mod right here. This is the external mic, and then it has a little wind muff on top. And as you can tell, it plugs directly into the GoPro. So I'm gonna take this off the stand and then I'm gonna install it. So you do have to take the battery cover part off because it replaces it as an outer housing. And this is the orientation that it would go in because you can see that it has the USB-C right there. So let's plug it in and then be done with this unboxing. Here's how it looks like on the camera body. It does make it a bit bulkier and heavier, but let me turn it on so that you can see that it's registering the audio levels, because that is one of the signs that it's working. So yeah, as you can see on the bottom, it's registering the volume of the input coming in from the audio, so it is working. But that's gonna be it for the video. I know it was a short one, but if you are interested in getting a GoPro media mod for yours to upgrade the quality of the audio, I'll link it in the description and the video comment. But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.